What's going on, guys? FMJ83 here. I hope you guys are well. I hope the war is over soon. And I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. So, today, TDI arms. As you can see right there. Let me see if I can. There you go. It's an M70 buttstock adapter with a tube. With a. Let me show you rather than tell you. Put this out of the way. Here you have the buffer tube. This is what came in the, I guess, the set, the kit. So it was the tube, the castle nut. You have the QD plate. You have the bolt, and you have the actual adapter. So I know you guys have seen this rifle out there, many videos. This rifle, a little bit about the rifle. This M70 Sastava came with the OD green Archangel plastic stock. I replaced that after a while. It was pretty comfortable, but I didn't like the look. So I bought this furniture from Sastava, from their website. It was like around $100, something like that. And I did this, and I love it. Don't get me wrong, I love wood. Nothing to do with that. But I want to make this tactical. And the reason why is because I have another Sastava. I got two of them. And the other one is stock from factory. I'm not planning to do nothing to that one. I want it just the way it is with wood and all of that good stuff. This one I want to make it a little bit tactical. You already saw that I put the BD2 muzzle brake on it. I put this thing. The video should be uploading right now as we speak, as I make this video, about this M70 Sastava scope mount that I just put on this with the Romeo 5 red dot. Let me put this out of the way, and let's make a video right now about me installing this thing. And I have the GI stock or G2, whatever the name for this thing is. It's like the most common, cheaper version of the buttstock for the AR15. I guess the mil spec. You know, how this is what they give to the military. So it's not very comfortable, but it's what I got around, and I gotta buy a better, you know, more comfortable one with a better cheek riser or whatnot. But for now, that one's gonna do. So let's get into it. Right here, I already got all the tools that I think I'm gonna need. So let me put this thing out of the way so I can have more space on the table. And let's see how this goes. So bear with me, and let's get into this together. All right. So let's start taking the plate for the buttstock. You have two screws right there. So you gotta take that out. Then you have a big bolt, really long, inside the stock. That's why I got this big ass screwdriver. So let's start with these two guys right here. You know, I've done this a couple of times, so they're pretty easy to take off. Then you have the plate, metal plate comes out, and that's why I want to put that kind of stock. Not only that it gives you, you know, a choice of different type of length for your, you know, different type of arms, different type of people, you know, they want to shoot your thing. So they have the option of making it longer or shorter with AR15 stock type. With this thing, you only get this length, which is okay for me, but this metal plate, very painful. So next, we gotta get the bolt inside the hole. We're probably gonna need a flashlight. I'll get my phone out real quick. Alrighty. So, let's see the position of this. Alright, it's completely flat this way. I tied this thing pretty good last time, so that's why just want to make sure that this is, bear with me people, this is like a little bit difficult to do it this way, but I'm gonna try for you guys. I think I got it. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Here we go. I got it finally. Let me turn this off. Nothing works well when you are recording it, right? What you see, that's what you get. That's it. It's a big ass bolt. And that's the stock. I'm just gonna put it away for another day. I definitely won't get rid of that because I love that redwood. So, as you can see right there, that's what you get. So now, I believe the bolt is gonna go, instead of this way, it's gonna be on the inside. So we gotta get the dust cover off. So that's all I need. Where are you? Facing down. And this is supposed to, as you can see, get it closer. You see this thing with the hole facing down? It's gonna fit perfectly in there, like really good. Let's see how it holds. So it's gonna be from the inside. Stay right there. Where are the bolts? Where is the bolt? Let me put a little bit of blue Loctite to this thing. I brought a piece of paper, so I know it's gonna get messy, but you know what, let's do it right here. I clean the table later. Yeah. Beautiful mess. Alrighty. That's enough. You see? Alright, so let's get in here. Let me do it with my fingers as much as I can. And then I use the Allen wrench. It's pretty simple, you know. I'm not an expert in this thing or anything like that, and I'm getting it done, so anybody can trust me. Just get the right tools for the job. I like the way it feels, but it's not. Feels really good. Only a couple of turns. I did it almost all the way with my fingers, and Loctite, that's gonna help to keep it in there. All right, so we're almost there. Next step is gonna be, it's gonna have to be this thing. Now, I don't know which way it goes. It seems the same both ways, so I don't know what to do. Let me see. Let me take a look real quick. I'm gonna go with my gut feeling, so I'm gonna say, and you see this little channel right there, that's what this little pink's gotta go to. So that thing goes that way and this one this way. Anyway, I'm not planning to put the sling, I'm not planning to put it there. I'm planning to put it down here, but if I replace the buttstock, I probably use it here. I don't know. The castle nut, you gotta put it facing with the with the openings that you see all around facing the rifle, let's say, when you turn it in, when you screw it in, I mean. Then we come over here and let's close this thing already because we don't need it open. It got me nervous. I think the bolt is gonna fall off. So that's that. Just cover back in. Press the button. That's the beauty of M70s. You know, you press that button and the dust cover is back in there. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's screw this thing right here. Wait, you see, I already did it the other way around. This goes first, then the plate, the QD plate. Good thing I realize it now. Already. And this. So make sure everything is aligned, and these holes, obviously, they gotta be facing down, because that's where your stock is gonna be, you know, catching those holes, so you can do the different levels on your stock. This thing goes into the hole on the bottom, and then it stops right there, so it's pretty much aligned on its own. And then you just press this thing all the way down. If you have one of those Casanova AR15 tools, which I don't, excuse that, then you use it. I don't have it right now, so I'm just gonna leave it up to there. And I'm gonna, just for the purpose of the video, so you guys can see it done, then I gotta tighten that thing down. You just get this bad boy in here, bring it all the way out, so it can come in, and here we have it. That's how this thing is gonna look from now on. And I can do this. That's the beauty of this setup. So I will be replacing this maybe later on. I don't know how much I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try it like that. I'll probably leave it, who knows. But for now, that's what we got. And I love this thing. You can have it real close or all the way out. All depends on what you're shooting, what kind of optics, and all of that good stuff. So here you have it, guys. The next thing I want to do to it is going to be around here. I know I'm going to leave some wood, so I don't know which well, I do know which one, so, but I don't want to tell you guys just yet. So one of these two pieces of wood are going to come out, and I think that's the last piece of wood I'm going to touch in this thing, because I'm leaving one piece of wood on the rifle. Like I said, don't get mad at me because I'm getting this tactical and taking the wood off. I have another one. I have the other one right behind me, stock, fully stocked, with the canted, the muzzle brake and everything. Everything stocked. I'm not doing anything to that rifle because I do love wood, but I want to make this a little more fun to shoot. So that's the reason why I'm getting this a little more tactical. It has the red dot now. I did the buttstock, pretty quick and easy, as you can see. Anybody can do this, a kid can do this. So next upgrade is gonna be in this area, and I think I'm done with it. That will be the last one, and probably later on something else, but not much. FNJ83 here. I ain't got much more for you guys today, but I hope you guys are doing well. I hope the world gets some peace, you know, sometime soon. And nothing. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.